Assalamu alaikum students, I'm your teacher, Miss Sobiana from the Smart Schools of Syed Ahmed Khan campuses and Johar campus. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home place or residence where you live, inshallah, Ameen. This is your English subject of class 10 and today we will discuss your topic King Faisal, who belongs to Saudi Arabia. We all know, I think, bit about it really well. Let's start discussion about the chapter. First, I will tell you that what is included in the chapter. The early life of King Faisal. What we will discuss: the early life of King Faisal, his efforts for the development of his country. What he did to the development of his country, King's contribution to enhance and promote the education in Saudi Arabia, how he promoted or enhances the promotion of education in Saudi Arabia. He put great efforts to unite the Muslims of the world and bring them closer to each other. What he did great efforts to unite all the Muslims of the world to bring them closer to each other regarding their religion. King Faisal's relations with Pakistan we will discuss. King's demise and its impact on the world. After his death, what was the impact on the world? The key points which are included: the early age King Faisal started taking interest in affairs of the state. There is a T missing in word interest. Faisal was made the crown prince and prime minister in 1958. He was good Muslim and led a simple life. He was a well-wisher. Wow, when he crowned prince as a prince and prime minister in 1958. He was good Muslim and led a simple life. He was a well-wisher of the people of Pakistan. As we all know that we will discuss about the relation with Pakistan now. He was also a well-wisher of for Pakistan people. He was against Israel because of its enmity towards the Arabs. Now let's start discussion. The first question, that is, when was King Faisal born and when he died? King Faisal was born in 1907 and second son of King Abdul Aziz ibn Saud. He is the second son of King Abdul Aziz ibn Saud and born in 1907. He died in assault by a wicked nephew on 25th March 1975. From whom did he receive religious education? King Faisal received his religious education from his maternal grandfather. That means he took all the religious education from his maternal grandfather, Sheikh Abdul bin Abdul Latif. At what age was he made governor of Hijaz? किस एज में he made as a governor of Hijaz? At the age of 20. When was Faisal made the king? When the elder brother of King Faisal, King Saud, feels seriously ill. That means when he made king after his elder brother who fell seriously ill, who is King Saud. In 1964, he appointed the king by Council of Minister. After then, he suggested or appointed as a minister, appointed the king by the Council of Minister. How did he develop his country? Some of the points we will discuss. Following are some of his developments. He made efforts to increase the production of mineral oil. As we all know that now Saudi Arabia is very rich in oil. So what he did, he made efforts to increase the production of mineral oil. He opened many schools where education is free for all. What he did, he opened many schools and in all those schools the education is free for all. He spread a network of hospital and dispensaries. ठीक है. uh, he made so many hospitals, dispensaries, for the sick. He helped poor and provided many facilities to the pilgrims. ठीक है. हज जायरीन जो होते हैं, हज करने जो जाते हैं, he helped poor and provided. ठीक है. What are the qualities of him? He always helped poor and provided many facilities to haj pilgrims. What were What were the feelings of King Faisal about Pakistan? As we all know that he is the sincerest friend of Pakistan and well-wisher of Pakistan. He did what he can do for Pakistan. He gave generous help and moral support to this country on several occasions. Why was the King Faisal against the state of Israel? As we all know that the King Faisal was against the state of Israel because of its enmity towards the Arabs, negative thinking, enmity towards the Arabs. He felt deeply grieved when Israelis set the Al-Aqsa Mosque on fire. That means they burned the Al-Aqsa Mosque on fire. Israel occupied Arabs areas illegally, which was not liked by the king. ठीक है. The Israelis occupied many of the areas of Arab illegally, which was hated by the king. I hope you all understand the topic really well. Until your next recorded class, take care. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.